Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Zoerax 12-pack of tool-free Cat8 RJ45 connectors. If you're building or upgrading your network to handle serious bandwidth, these might be exactly what you need. These connectors are built for speed, supporting up to 40 gigabit Ethernet at a whopping 2000 megahertz. That's Cat8 performance, ensuring your network is future-proofed for demanding applications. Each connector is verified for Cat8 channel performance, so you know you're getting the real deal. Compatibility is key, and Zoerax has you covered. These connectors work with 22 to 24 AWG shielded Cat8 cables, with an outer diameter of 7.0 to 8.5 millimeters. Plus, they're backward compatible with Cat6a and Cat7, offering flexibility in your network setup. Installation is surprisingly easy thanks to the tool-less, open hinge design. This makes terminating those bulky shielded cables much simpler. And the fact that they're reusable is a definite plus, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. The robust, full metal design is another highlight. The single-piece metal housing and integrated silencing cylinder effectively minimize EMI, NEXT, and AXD electromagnetic noise and crosstalk. This ensures a clean, reliable connection, free from interference. These connectors are also PO Plus ready, complying with IEEE 802.3 AT standards. They support Cat8 auto-negotiation in mixed networks, making them ideal for connections to 1 gigabyte, 10 gigabytes, or even 40 gigabyte switches. In summary, the Zoerax Cat8 RJ45 connectors offer high-speed performance, wide compatibility, effortless installation, and a robust design. If you're serious about your network, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.